Are you blessed with our opening worship earlier? Yeah. Grabe itong opening worship. Abi na ko, di na sila muundang. Ay, sa siga ang suga, boy. Kaya mag-divert pa na, boy. Who among you here feels that you're an underdog? Kinsa pa yung naka-feel nga underdog sila? Naka-feel nga you don't belong to a certain group. You think, dili mo belong sa isa ka group chat. Ay. Kada pag-join mo sa group chat, i-kick out ka dritso. Makita lang yung mong name, ato na siyang i-kick out dritso. Kasi naka-experience sa kick out sa GC. Right? Kinsa sa inyo rin naka-feel that you're an outcast. Outcast. Tarang feeling niyo mga ginabuhat na niyo mong tanan, pero nagyapoy kulang. No, nagyapoy pindi ka perminte. Maybe you work so hard in your life, pero wala pa juga ka try og promotion. Can you raise your hands kung wala ka promote? You started a business, pero wag 1 year na lang, wag yapon kay sales. Isa diri ang nag-eskwela, pero tatingala ka sigag study. Pero at the end of the week, matingala ka bagsak gihapon ka. Mutanay mo sa sarili, bagsak ng gihapon ko. Right? Pabagsak gihapon ka. Or maybe, isa sa inyo adere, sige lang kagparamdam sa iya ha. Pero, maski pag unsaon bali-bali sa kalubutan, buhato gihapon siya sa pikat. Kaya mas ganahan siya dito. Right? If you're one of those, I want you to know I have good news for you. The good news is this. This talk for tonight is for all of you. Kaya ani akong clicker karon, di pagkitok dukon. Right? Di na mo. Layo mo kayo ang mukha nito. Narito ang production team mo. Layo kayo, hindi siya makuha. That's why we're gonna be talking about something beautiful tonight. And tonight, our one big message is this. If you're feeling down, you feel yung mga small ka, and you look at the person beside you, small ba? If you think you're small, if you think na nabiyaan na ka sa kalibutan, this talk is for you. Our one big message for tonight, and it's our talk 6, is entitled, God Sides with the Little Ones. Tanawan yung mga katapad ko, mga little ones na sila. Brothers and sisters, if you feel that you're small in life, if you feel that you don't matter at all, if you feel that you keep on failing tonight, this talk is for you.